Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to update your Windows 10. So first of all, in order to update Windows 10, we'll have to check updates and then finally update. To do that, we'll have to go into settings and basically check for updates and then update. In order to do that, first of all, click on your start menu or press your Windows key. Once you have done that, go to settings, and finally once you are on settings, as you can see, there is this tab down here called update and security. Go ahead and open it, and then once you have clicked on it, there is a Windows update tab which I am currently on right now. And if you want to check for updates, there is a check for update button right over here. Go ahead and click it. As you can see, it's gonna start checking for updates and let me know if my Windows needs a update or not. As you can see, it found a little update and it is currently installing it. And yeah, there you go. Now I am up to date. I don't have to update anymore. But there are also some updates for which you can only install it while rebooting your computer or basically booting up your computer. So with that being said, if you thought this video was informational, feel free to share it and hit that subscribe button. So thank you for watching.